Today I'm going to be working on a 1997 Toyota Century.
The truth.
Alright, so today we're swapping out the air filters that are in the Century with some K&Ns. So let's start by opening the hood. Alright, so here's the part number. I will link this down below as well where I got these from. But yeah, this one is the one that fits the Century. It also fits, I think it's a Tacoma as well, and something else. So let's get the old ones out and these new ones in. Alright, now we got access under the hood thanks to our new hood struts. But our intake filters go right here and right here. Now I was looking, it looks like it's only got like 4 clips. So you just kind of pop these off. Where's number 3? I think that one's broken. Sweet. Well, I got 3 on this one. I'm going to try and get that last one here in just a second. I'll probably get a screwdriver underneath, pop it. And then we got 4 on this guy as well. That one's pretty kind of hard to get to, but might have to use a screwdriver to get that one off too. So that one's going to be a fun one to get back on. I might end up going to a junkyard, see if I can't get the whole thing off there in just a second. I might end up going to a junkyard and finding one like this and just swapping it out with this one. I'll have to see how easy that is to come off here in just a second. But in the meantime, let's go ahead and swap both of these out really quick. Should just be able to pick up on them. And there's our old filter. Alright, so I noticed these aren't as deep as these ones are. You can see the thickness of that versus the thickness, if I can pick it up, of this guy. But it should still fit in there. You want the beveled edge up on these guys when you put them in the car. So like this part sits in that housing like this kind of thing. You'll see here in just a second. But that way airflow flows this way through it. Now, I wasn't sure how old these ones were, but after looking inside them, they're both pretty nasty. They've probably been in there for a while. Look at all that. So, and they're both equally nasty looking. So, it is a good thing we're changing them to the new K&Ns. So, let's go ahead and get both of these in the Century. Yeah, I can't talk. So, let's go ahead and get both of these in the Century. Alright, like I was just saying, make sure that this beveled edge faces up. So, it's going to go inside this airbox part right here. So this fourth one was a pain in the butt. I had to like reach my hand underneath the intake here to snap it in place. So yeah, if you gotta do the same thing on your Century, have fun. So I was looking at this one in the back corner. It's actually got a little lever here on the back end. So when you lift it up, you're gonna snap it into place, and then you're gonna pull this lever down and it's gonna tighten it. And when you go to take it off, you lift up on that little lever and then it loosens this guy and you can take it all the way off. So that's kind of interesting. That's good though. That means I don't have to go to a junkyard and find one that looks like this. But yeah, good to know for next time. Pull the lever down, or excuse me, pull the lever up and it should loosen this guy up to pop it off. Now they do come with these do not discard stickers, where the good thing about K&N is when they get dirty, you take them off, you hose them out, you re-clean them with like the cleaning spray and the oil, and then you throw them right back in the car, let it sit for a while, obviously. But yeah, if you want to put these stickers on your car, you can. Usually you slap it on top or on the side here. I don't want to. I don't want to ruin the aesthetic that I've got going on with the pretty much all black engine bay here. So yeah, if you want to put these on, you can. I'm not going to. Alright, so I know this video is pretty short and sweet, but I do hope it helped. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down in the comment section below. I'll try and answer them as soon as I can, and I'll see you guys in the next one. If you liked any of the background music that was in this video, check out the link to the artist page down in the description of this video.